So we have a client, Dell Latitude 6440. Previous video I did short review. Now in this video we're gonna make RAM from 4 to 8, and I'm going to guide you how to make through how to upgrade the RAM memory from 4 to 8. As you can see, RAM memory installed, it is 4. We're gonna do it 8. What you need to do is switch it off. By the way, if you don't know, fun facts. 6440, it stands for 4 and 4. 4 stands for 14-inch, so it's like 14-inch screen. And for another 4, it's 4th generation of processor. So if it was, for example, 5540, it would mean that it is 15.6 with 4th gen. If it would be 6450, it would be 14-inch but 5th generation, and so on. So to get to the RAM, you flip it open. You will need to remove the battery. Okay, do it with one hand. Yeah. Okay, battery is out. So I didn't want to unscrew everything on the video, but you will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that should be all. Those 4 screws you need to unscrew. This is holding your hard drive. You need to take out CD, so it's going to be easier. And what you need to do is just slowly, gently open it from the side. It's very hard doing it with one hand, but there you go. So here is your processor, cooling fan, your hard drive. It's normal hard drive. The RAM is here. So at the moment it has one slot. It has actually 2 slots, but 1 chip with 4 GB. So from 4th generation upwards, DDR3, it need to be L, low voltage. Under 4th generation, it is without L, so it's normal. Generation up, it need to be low voltage. Otherwise, if you put it, it's not going to work. Okay, so I got, and I'm going to show you. So I got the same L. So this is normal one. So it's for up to generation 4. It won't have L next to PC3. The ones we need, since it's 4th gen, it will be, sorry for this, with L. So both of them need to be PC3L. To install them, you just put them back. Take another one. Then you're gonna put this back. Obviously, you're gonna screw it later. Put battery back. Click. Put CD back. Flip the laptop. Open. Moment of truth. There it is. As you're gonna see, it will say amount of system memory has changed. So we're gonna just go through it quickly. That should be all. When you upgrade RAM memory from 4 to 8 or from 8 to 16, usually the first time, in my experience, it takes a lot more time to go with a Windows. So you shouldn't be afraid of that. However, RAM, it's not really going to bring your computer to be very, very, very fast. SSD is going to take care of it. So this one has normal hard drive. So to make it faster, you will need to upgrade from the hard to SSD. So let's go through it. So you can see now, installed RAM, 8 gigs. That's all.